Installation instructions for Inkiostro Bianco's Raw wallpaper. The package you have received contains wallpaper rolls, adhesive box, installation diagram, installation manual. Please note, the adhesive is always included in the delivery. Other products that may be required for the preparation of the substrate must be ordered separately. Here are all the needed tools for the installation: paintbrush or standard paint roller, long-handled paintbrush, small paintbrush, cutter, scissors, pencil, plumb line, ruler, latex gloves, empty 10-liter bin, microfiber cloth, spatula. Dilute 1 bag of adhesive in 4 liters of water and let it soak for at least 3 minutes. Then check that the resulting mixture has the right consistency and is free of lumps. Check the condition of the substrate. The surface must be porous and even to be considered suitable for the installation. View the installation diagram and compare it with the received rolls by measuring them to assess the exceedance. Attention! If you find any discrepancies, do not proceed with the installation and immediately contact our customer service. If rolls, color, dimension, and graphic design match, you can proceed. On the first and last rolls, exceedances are marked and their size depends on the ratio between the dimension of the wall and the roll's number. These exceedances are indicated by a red line and let you verify that the dimensions of the wall are correct. Check the dimensions of the wall and take some references that will be helpful during the installation. Eventually check the presence of any out-of-square dimension. Using a roller, spread the adhesive on the area of the wall where you will start the installation. This is the right amount of glue to apply. Apply the starting roll perpendicular to the ground, leaving about 5 centimeters on both the ceiling and floor sides. If you decide to start with roll number 1, consider that the side exceedance indicated by the red line will have to be cut. Flatten the roll against the wall using a spatula to avoid the formation of air bubbles. Proceed in the same way with the next roll. Take care to draw the rolls near without overlapping them and carefully align the graphic design. Repeat the operation for all other rolls until the wall is complete. With a microfiber cloth, wipe off any glue residue that is spilled without damaging the print. The roll at this stage is still wet from the fresh glue underneath. Cut the exceedance at the top and bottom with the spatula. Your wall is now complete. Thank you for choosing us for your project.